So here it is, the Apple Watch Ultra. If you're not subscribed, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos, because I will be putting out a best and worst screen protectors and case for this Apple Watch Ultra. Awesome presentation. It's got like this little booklet, shows off the different kinds of bands, how to use it, how to charge it. Very nice. Here is the band. It's got kind of like a little pocket. Very cool. Here is the extra ring. It's got a weird feel to it. Kind of like macaroni. Very cool band. It is made of like a stretchy kind of smooth silicone. You got your holes in there. Feels really nice. Wow, nice. Oh, it's got a braided charging cable, USB Type-C. Very nice cable. And here is the watch itself. This thing feels like a beast. Wow, that is nice. It does have some weight to it. There are some people out there saying it's a lot lighter than they thought. This thing is pretty heavy, but it looks absolutely beautiful. It's got the ceramic back on it with the titanium metal case. There's our crown. Nice. The power button. Nice flat screen. Does pick up some fingerprints, but not bad at all. You can simply just wipe that away. Got your accent button, which I absolutely love. How do you guys feel about the orange accents? I think it's a great idea. Absolutely love it. I kind of wish that they would make maybe different colors. But that is a solid watch. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Wants me to pair it up with my phone. And look at that. That's a big boy. So here I have one of my more rugged regular watches. This is made by G-Shock, and as you can see, it is pretty thick. If we compare it to the Apple Watch, this watch is still thicker. And as far as the face goes, the G-Shock, I would say, is about around the same, or is still, if not a little bit bigger, because comparing square to round is a little bit more difficult. But as you can see, I mean, this watch is still thick, and it's big. It's still thicker than the Apple Watch. So if you're already used to one of these kinds of watches, the Apple Watch is not going to be any different for you. Now, if we compare it to the Apple Watch 7, the face is obviously bigger, but it's not a huge difference. And as far as thickness goes, it is definitely thicker, but again, it's not a huge difference. I also want to let you know that this very quickly paired up with my phone. I'm talking about maybe a minute to 2 minutes to do the whole setup, whereas my other Apple Watches, they took, I don't know, probably like 15-20 minutes. And that was even transferring my watch cell phone number from my old watch to my new watch. It was like instantaneous. See how much storage it has? So it's got a total of 32 gigs, and I've used 6.3 gigs of that. Bluetooth display and brightness. I'm at about 3/4 of brightness right now. our action button, which is new. Press once to record route. Press both buttons to pause. So I have it set as the backtrack option. Accessibility, Siri, sound and haptics. It is quite loud. So the watch is super nice. I mean, that titanium, it looks so awesome. I absolutely love the way that it looks. I love the flat screen. The crown is easily moved and it does press in as well. Got your power button on the side. Very nice watch. Very impressed.
T-Mobile. Hi, Anthony. So tell me, how can I help you today?
So not too bad. It is actually pretty loud. So this is this is a really nice watch. Very nice. And in case you're wondering, it comes with this little piece here that's just kind of off by itself. The way that that goes in is you kind of just pull it apart, just like that, and you can kind of rotate this. So you kind of put it like that, and then you can put it down one of the little holes of the watch band. You're going to rotate this, pull it out, and then push it into the same little hole that you put the other side in, and then clip it into place, and it becomes a little place that you can put your strap. Very cool. And you can adjust it based on your wrist size. So if you put this on and this doesn't reach all the way, like it doesn't mine, all you need to do is just kind of move it further down on the strap there. So I adjust it a little more, and then I can easily put the strap underneath, and it holds it in place. So again, if you're coming from a regular watch that's oversized, you're not going to have any problems wearing this watch at all, because it's not even as thick. It may be as big face-wise, but thick, it's not as thick as some of the other watches out there. So definitely cool. So this was just the unboxing and my first impressions, and they are super cool. Again, if you guys haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to let you know when some of my new videos come out, because again, I'm going to be doing a case and screen protector review for this watch, and I also have some really nice bands if you're looking to dress this up a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.